Hello everyone, this is Mr. Mola with just a quick video to introduce how distance learning will work for math. So I'll be going over the two main websites that we use, Schoology and Big Ideas. So students should be familiar with this. I'm sending it out to parents as well so that everyone knows what is expected. So if we look at our first hour class, so this is my 6th and 7th graders. If we look at the updates here, so our Zoom will start every Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday at 8:30, go until about 9 o'clock, depending on how long the lesson is. And then I'll be on for about the next hour then to answer any questions you have for homework. You can stay on the Zoom and pop in and ask questions, or you can get off the Zoom, start the homework, and then see how it goes, and then jump back on. For my 8th graders or my 5th hour class, it's kind of the same thing. I will be on at 12:20 every day to 12:50 to go through the lesson live. And then from about 12:50 to 1:50 will then be the work time where you can ask me questions about the homework. Otherwise, the class probably looks very similar there. I do have a Zoom link now here, so that's new and different. Big letters, so you can click on it there to join the link. Graphing calculator is still there as well. I will tell you now for some of these lessons, you're going to need the graphing calculator, and I'll explain how to use it in the videos that we need it for. And then otherwise, everything looks pretty much the same. I have our week folder. And then I have the day folder if you click on there. And so we will start distance learning for math on November 19th, and then the last day of our 135 schedule will be December 14th. So everything is already in there from Thursday, November 19th to Monday, December 14th. All the lessons are in there, all the videos are in there, everything is in there. So if we look at like the Thursday lesson, one thing that you will notice that is different is this attendance piece. So I need to know that you are online. So I'll show you the question. I am online, and it's a simple yes or no question. Answer it correctly. I'll give you the hint that the correct answer is yes. So that's how we're going to be taking attendance for distance learning for the math class. So if we go back and look at the class, so weekly folder, you click on it, it's a daily folder. Everything on the side there as well. So you have the lesson, and it tells you same thing in the lesson that's been there for the last couple months, what 3 or 4 or 5 things you're doing for the day. You're watching the lesson video, you're doing the homework on Big Ideas, watching the puzzle time video, and then doing the puzzle time worksheet. And then still in the lesson, or in the folder, is still the book videos if you need some extra videos there that they already made for us. So otherwise it looks pretty similar to what we've been doing for the last couple of months. My first hour, you will notice that you have an advisory in there. You 8th graders, your advisory folder should be in Mr. Woggy's class since he is your advisory teacher. Otherwise, Schoology kind of looks exactly the same. And then remember, all this information is also available on your calendar. So you'll have 2 things on your calendar for my class, one for the attendance piece, and then one for your plan for the day. So that is still there as well. And then Big Ideas pretty much looks exactly the same as well. It has the lesson there, so lesson 3.3. It'll tell you that it's the homework. It'll tell you when it opens up for the day. So this is your homework on the 19th. So it opens on November 19th at 7:41 in the morning, and then it'll officially go into your overdue folder the next day, 11:20 at 12:41. So otherwise, all the homework is already in there from November 19th until December 14th. So everything is set to go for this next couple weeks. So please let me know if you have any questions. I'm going to send this out on Friday the 13th. So you have a couple days to watch it, and then let me know if you have any questions by that Thursday when we start distance learning. So hopefully we get any questions out and answered before then. So please let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.